This is graphing exponentials, and when you graph an exponential equation, it's going to result in a slope with one side increasing and one side closely approaching the x-axis, so you're going to get a slope. So this example, we're going to do a simple one right here. We have y equals 5 to the power of x. And so how you solve one of these, first of all, you're going to set up an xy chart. Alright, so let's see, our x's, we're just going to use simple numbers at the bottom here. So let's do -2, -1, 0, and 1, and 2. Okay. And so when you put a -2 into this equation right here, you have y equals 5 to the power of -2. So 5 to the power of -2, and that equals 1/25. It's a really tiny number. And then the second part here, so 5 to the -1, you get 1/5. Just a little larger than the last one, but not by much. And for 0, anything to the power of 0 is 1. 5 to the power of 1 is just 5. 5 to the power of 2 is 25. Okay, so here's what you're going to be graphing, these numbers right here. So then you're just going to plot them into your graph. And let's see, so -2 and 1 over 25. It's really tiny, it's almost on the line there, but not quite. Then you got -1 and 1 over 5th. It's just a little bit higher. 0 and 1. 1 and 5. And 2 and 25. So after you have those plotted, you're just going to connect them. And you can see that the line is approaching the x-axis, but it's not quite touching it. And for this example, that's what your graph looks like.